Are you looking for some quick tips to make the most from your HubSpot investment? Well, in this video, I'll be filling you in on all the latest updates to the platform so that there are no surprises next time you log in and you've got all the tools you need to market, sell to, and service your people like a pro. Hey guys, it's Liv here from Neighborhood, back with another episode of our What's New in HubSpot series. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the changes to Marketing Hub. First up, we all know that when it comes to creating successful lead generation campaigns, you need to constantly focus on the end-to-end customer experience. This means creating personalized ads that are relevant to your customers' experience with your brand, providing your customers with easy to fill out forms or live chat in case your customers want to get in touch with you directly, following up with timely marketing emails that provide your customers with all the resources they need to progress through their buyer's journey. And of course, creating beautifully designed landing pages that make it easy for your customers to convert. To make your life easier, when creating marketing campaigns that focus on the end-to-end customer experience, HubSpot has added a landing page builder into its free marketing tools, available now within the HubSpot CMS. The free landing page builder includes a selection of beautiful landing page templates and 8 easy-to-use modules, such as rich text, forms, buttons, images, dividers, follow me's, video embeds, and meetings. With this new feature, there's simply no excuse for you not to have beautifully designed landing pages that help you create impactful marketing campaigns and grow your business. Better yet, with the drag and drop page editor, it's easy for you to edit your landing pages to provide your customers with a delightful experience. Like all things that are free, there are some limits with this, like a HubSpot branded domain and HubSpot branding on each page template, as well as a limit of 20 created page per portal. Next up is one for all professional and enterprise customers. That is, HubSpot's default theme, Session, is now available in Marketing Hub and professional and enterprise portals. Vast will no longer be delivering to new portals, and instead, Session templates will be replacing Vast as the default blog template to new portals. Interested in something that will make communication with team members and clients easier? Well, sounds like HubSpot has been listening to you, because they've introduced 2 new updates to workflows that I think you're going to like. Firstly, you can now comment on workflow actions, allowing for team members to communicate certain processes and actions within a workflow, and perfect for providing feedback. Secondly, you can also export a workflow as an image. You can now share this with your customers and teammates who aren't HubSpot users to also help communicate your processes. Frustrated with not being able to embed a wider range of content types into knowledge-based articles? Well, good thing HubSpot has introduced this as one of the latest feature updates. Previously, embedding used to be limited to only YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, and Vidyard videos. Now with the latest feature update, the sky is the limit, as any embed code will now work. This includes, but is not limited to, maps, calendars for booking meetings, audio players, and more. Poor email health makes it extremely hard for you to reach the inbox and reduces the effectiveness of your campaigns. But improving the deliverability of your emails can be hard, and there isn't always a good way to know how you're doing or how to improve. HubSpot's new email health tool, available to all Marketing Hub portals, will gauge if your account is successful with email deliverability and how inbox providers view your emails. Email health provides a snapshot of email deliverability performance for the last 30 days by providing the most important factors when it comes to email deliverability, including open rate, click-through rate, unsubscribe rate, and hard bounce rate. Not only will you see a snapshot of your email health, but you'll also be able to see recommendations for improving each of the 4 factors and track progress by viewing how email health is trending for the last 12 months. Want a report that helps you measure the success of your lead gen strategy and gives you access to the data you need to fine-tune channel performance? Well, you've got it. With HubSpot rolling out Attribution Reporting for contact creation in HubSpot, this report builder feature shows you all of your contact data for every contact created since you first started using HubSpot. You now have the ability to tie all of your customer interactions to specific conversions, so your team gets credits for top performing channels. You also have the data you need to make strategic decisions in the future. While revenue attribution gets most of the hype, it's not the only attribution report in town. And with the new Contact Create attribution, you get a deep insight into which strategies are bringing leads in the door, so you can get credit for your most successful plays and find insights to make your lead gen strategy even better. How does it work? Simply navigate to Create Report and then choose Attribution. You'll see an option for Contact Create. Click Next in the top right and you'll be taken to the Explore tab. Are you the type of person who likes to customize your dashboard layout? Well, if you are, you're going to love this new update. Dashboard layouts are now even more customizable, giving you the flexibility flexibility to pull all of your most important data front and center. Plus, dashboards now support full screen view so that you can make your data the star of the show, whether you're presenting via screen share or to an audience on a TV. Why is this important? Well, the update gives you the flexibility to create and share a more data-dense view of your dashboard. Customize your layout to help your team easily relate reports to one another, access data that tells a story, and find your insights faster. So essentially, it's a very important update that will help your marketing, sales, and services team. And also, it's available to all HubSpot customers. So that's all to look out for in Marketing Hub. Let's move along and check out what HubSpot's been changing on the sales side of things. While there's not much that's new in Sales Hub this month, the introduction of communicating on the go is one you won't want to miss, with the preferred device of choice today being the trusty old mobile phone. I mean, can you remember the last time you spent more than half an hour without it by your side? No? Well, me neither. The introduction of HubSpot's keyboard on mobile is bringing the power of the CRM in mobile apps you use, such as WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and Slack. HubSpot Keyboard is an alternative to your default mobile keyboard, allowing you to insert information from your HubSpot CRM like snippets, meeting links, quotes, and documents. Now for Service Hub. While HubSpot has always offered customer SSL to customers who wanted more customization around securing landing pages, it wasn't always the easiest experience. Luckily for all CMS Hub, Marketing Hub, and Service Hub customers, they have removed this hassle and instead are giving you free reins to buy, configure, and manage your customer SSL certificates directly in-app. Yep, that's right. No more having to spend time going back and forth with the support team to generate your CSR and later uploading your certificate to the platform. Not only did this take a lot of time, but it prevented you from getting your content up and running really quickly. To access this feature, navigate to your settings and then go to domains and URLs and then custom SSL. If you don't have the custom add-on, you'll have the option to buy it right there and there. You'll now be able to follow the steps for CSR generation and CRT file uploads post-purchase right in app. How good? And that's it for this month. I hope these updates provide you some support in your marketing, sales, and service strategies, but if you need some extra help ensuring you're making the most of your HubSpot investment, let us know. Here at Neighborhood, we conduct completely free portal audits to give you clarity as to where you need to be focusing your time and energy. We'll analyze your marketing efforts by checking whether you're following blogging best practice to boost your conversions. We'll check out your sales strategies to see that your pipeline is clean and logical and encouraging qualified lead generation. And lastly, we'll dive into your service portal to see whether you can be better utilizing particular sections to stay on top of keeping your customers happy. So that's all from me for the September updates, guys. Happy HubSpotting.